nalento nigijimisa uyemsebenzi umsebenzani usebenzela bani ngoba solokhu sazalwa mfowethu even nabazali bethu solokhu bazalwa every day sitshelwa ngeeconomy ibalance nini kanti economy how difficult is it to balance economy kanti kukhona laba sibasebenzelayo thina nje sonke that's colonization
namakusazi bethu sengiyavuka
lento show economy mina like
they create these things abomtsipe he's a billionaire wenzani savuka sezo ngiyakubuza wenzani umtsipe
umuntu lo uneteam ngathi yamsukela kumtsipe
into yamanje le into yamanje asiqale nje ukuthi azabe umtsipe bafuna ukuthatha ini your soul that's why they invented i-Wi-Fi so that you do not detect yonke lento lena ugcina usuthi hey nami open minded manje yazi mngani wami lento lena kuloko sibhizi sinizonda nani ningabantu mfethu usho kumngani wakho gay yebo lento lena udoti lento le into creative uzoyitshela ukuthi umcabango wakho wena kusumcabango wakho lento le into yenziwe lento lena it's a scam mase sifuna inkululeko hlalani ngayi nasemsebenzini ngoba lento nisebenzela siyiboni uRamaphosa uThabo Mbeki they have this thing yokuthi bathanda ukukhuluma yabona thina sithanda ukukhuluma ngezandla umuntu okhona athi as a country we are moving in a way ukuthi the country is growing the economy is growing and everyone will benefit in this thing. Unamanga, he just crossed the fingers. You did not see. You did not pay attention. It is not.
Welcome to the Dobe Show. Of course, I go by the name Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show. Even James knows. Otherwise, on Sunday in camera, this thing is usual. I got my man James, and on my right, I got my man Ganda. Do one story at the time and one testimony at the time. Please subscribe. Please make sure you like the episode before you watch it and share the episode, and please join the membership. It's only 20 Rand a month, so please join the membership. Thank you so much to those who are doing that. If you are a donator, our details shown after a disclaimer. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to those who are doing that. May the Lord bless you. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. We really appreciate it. It's road to 200,000 subscribers. You can see got a board for that. Yeah, James, how are you on Grace?
Yeah, road to 200k subscribers.
Yeah. I was full
party.
Party at potluck.
Ngitho kahle sengibonile ukuthi kufuneka le body noma ngingajika nje makune body uma ngakushiya ne body ku right ngoba akufuneki mina kufuneka ibody manje is fine
kodwa lokho ngathi uprinte namaphepha ububhize ma internet cafe.
I always
postik ndoda.
I always me
stationer pedal.
Eish mfethu. Abantu ufuna ngene ngayo yonke indlela lo nkulunkulu. Angene ngesikolo, angene yonke athi umuntu ubhekane ngithi uThixo.
Yonke engene.
Ingane yami esikoleni next year mfethu ungiboleka ukuzosala.
Iye ku grade 1.
Grade 1 so bekithi akuboleka amaposti uma ukuthi amanye
ngoba uzokuthola ayikhinkinga vele ngoba cishe sizobe sesiqedile uNkulunkulu uyabuya manje it's game over. Yeah, it's Uhuru. Yabona this this is Uhuru, guys. Like I'm telling you, like the jig is up. Bayazi even all the corners, all the lodges, they know good. No, like akukho sizokwenza manje. So people know the truth and everything ipointa khona ukuthi no uyabuya manje uNkulunkulu. And one of the revelations engiyitholile mangihleli uthi I saw ithrone yakhe ne iyobibekwe sobe for as a country sobe sibeke a union buildings. He will be the president and this country will be led by prophets, people who can decipher a message kaNkulunkulu ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthi this. That's how things are gonna be. So yeah, uzoyithola i-stationery vela esikolweni unana akunankinga ngoba kuzobe sesiqedile yabona.
Atalithini ixesha ke ngoku.
Ijiphinga zachiritse
isikhathi sesikole
isikhathi saka soma frequency.
Hey madoda, hey yazi
Jabulo lento ecede ukuyisho uthi this country will be led by prophets. Hey, okunye ngingayibelieve You know why?
Okay, yeah, why? Nami ngifuna ukukutshela something, yeah, why?
Mina personally, I've always thought or had this conviction ukuthi this country will be a better country if we are led
Prophetess.
by someone who believes in God.
Yeah, very.
Because they ngakhona ngathi akekho vele. Yabona nabantu abasiphethe ngathi akekho noyiwayo nje okholelwa kuNkulunkulu.
And angeke azabe khona umuntu olidayo okholelwa kuNkulunkulu under le system le. Because hey guys, yabona this thing ne, if you can remember mangikhuluma go back to language ne. For you to be there, you must be elected. You must be elected. You must win what? The elections. That's the same reason why it's called electricity, by the way. Why? It is low frequency. It vibrates. Kule portion la khona ini the demons thrive. That's where the demons thrive. That's why omunye mase bamhlasele kahle ukuthi mase kuzophela inyanga kusho igedlela. Kusho istove. Why? Simply because demons can access that household.
That's how I feel right now. And I've always angazi noma ke ngakutshela Chris Direct ukuthi mina mase ngibona ngathi I'm being attacked. Hey, qala iwash nodibondwe vele limi. Uzathi ubheke kuziwasha sesandleni vele limele. Bese mhlawumbe umoshakelwe imoto.
Yeah, a creative.
Le dala ngisola vele ukuthi hayi.
Into creative. And another thing, I don't know, but yabona especially when ne. Hey, Fanagit, I don't know how to say this, but let me say it. When are you Uganda? Because yabona njengoba sihleli la, masihleli la nasikhuluma and stuff. It's not just like the radar is always picking up messages and whatnot. Hey, Kanda, man, you are a giant in the spirit, my brother. Whew. Just able to access that thing. That's why they always. That's why what you see, you think are coincidences are happening. That's because you are a giant in the spirit, my brother. So maybe I need to say officially. Oh, no, it's a prophecy. Yes, it's a prophecy. I'm telling you. That's what I picked up, especially now. Yeah, he could be. He could be even more. Not just the person who reads the scripture. Not just somebody who reads the scripture. Somebody who gets the message straight. This manje. That's what I picked in eye. And uzumbono yazi ukuthi the thing is abantu bathanda sometimes abantu they are excited by those things and then to not hear the literal translation of the message kaNkulunkulu uyangithola. So ezinye izinto uNkulunkulu makathi hayi okay no asiyeke leyo asiyathi ngidlule kancane ku. That's why mawuzongibuza if uzokhumbula kahle I did not answer you ngendlela egculisayo ngalenkathi ungibuza ukuthi how do we measure frequency and mangibuza nange well especially mangibuza ngendaba ye how do we use this frequency knowledge to the point ukuthi we can make money or be prosperous, if I can put it like that. Ne? I did not answer you ngendlela egculisayo. If you can remember, it was done intentionally because you were talking literally, like you were talking young told, because there are ways. Because if uzofunda iBhayibheli ne and ufunde especially King Solomon, you learn ukuthi he's called the wisest man. And remember ukuthi, what did I say about Izangoma and Izinyanga and all those people? I call them what? People who practice what? Wisdom. That's wisdom. Ne? It's just that the problem is they are low frequency. Mamati King Solomon was the wisest man to ever live. Uzofunda as you ufunda ngaye, you will learn ukuthi you see that the hexagram gusta kule flag yakwa Israel. Yeah, this fake Israel, this one. That sign means he who controls the demons. That's what that sign means. King Solomon beganamandla because he understood. Beganamandla and the wisdom of kwenzani ukuthuma amademoni to work for him. Wona self to work for him. You'll also learn what you call the sigil, SIGIL. That's where he even drew the demons. Because ubekwazi ukuwabona and ubewazi ukuthi lo elokwenzani le elokwenzani ngizoluthuma they will work for me. That's why he was also the richest man. He's ranked the richest man. History and scholars debate between yena no Mansa Musa, ne? But they knew the same thing, both two. How to control the spirits and whatnot. That's why I said there are things of which I cannot share. Because abantu bazogijimela lo ukuthi oh if ungenza lokho yikho kuzonginika imali, then you are missing the part yokuthi kabani kaNkulunkulu, because wena uNkulunkulu phela uNkulunkulu wathi uNkulunkulu sat down with himself wathi asenzeni asenze umuntu. So mawuzothi wena ufuna ukwenza you are practicing or you have knowledge of making money, of kwenza imali, you are limiting yourself because uNkulunkulu wena, you don't even need that. That's why last time I said this part of a brain is a projector. You khuluma lento uyifunayo kulento le ekhona izokwenzeka. Why? Because thina we are not flesh. We are not flesh. Just ukugcwalisela lento engishoyo le. You remember brother Enigma makazothi even emojis are evil. Ama emojis athathelwa kulama sigils a create ubani uKing Solomon. Go and research lento le uzoyibona. The sigils and emojis into eyi-1. As immediately lokhu busy ushaya ama emoji, maybe ushaya ehlekayo kulona, ngapha ushaya ekwatile kulona, ngapha uthe I'm freezing. That's a pattern. You are creating a code, a portal for the demons to operate in that space, because they are they are sigils. I don't forget what I'm saying. Then kubuya kule ndaba lena tugcwalisela na you just touched indaba na before you started recording indaba ukuthi Nigeria discovered oil before Saudi Arabia. Ne? The reason why Nigeria is in kule nkinga ekuyo and as Africa ikule nkinga ekuyo, they create the narrative so that you think ukuthi inkinga is because black people are not smart enough, or black people they do not understand, or maybe it's culture. Wealth is about culture, or wealth is about race, or wealth. No, that's what they want you to believe, because they are on a mission. When you check the mission, it starts with King Leopold, was a Belgium. Ne? He's the man who waqala in colonization. Then they met bonke, the German, the British and whatnot. Babambalia meeting yabo 1881, 83, somewhere there. The meeting with, okay, how do we colonize Africa? The reason why they wanted to do that is because Africa was the last stop. The last stop of what their mission. They have and had conquered in all the other continents, your Asia, your America, South America, North America, abaqedanga. In North America, abaqedanga. Why? What am I saying? You will learn ukuthi mawufunda iBhayibheli and you learn ufunda the Apocrypha and you do proper history and research. You'll find ukuthi the reason why they are doing this and what the Bible you are being colonized, ne? But iBhayibheli lithini lempi esibhekana nayo ayisiye eyani eyenyama, but eyani eyakwamoya. Yes, that's the truth. Eyakamoya lempi esibhekane nayo, because wena Africa, you are the last stop, you are the last species okumele senzeni isiqede ngayo, because umhlaba lo wonke wawublack. The whole earth was black. That's why you learn ukuthi abelungu, they are not real humans. The original human is the black man. The reason why we look Chinese, we look what, is simply because of what? Of the Nephilims. in the book of Enoch le ngilozi ezawo ezulwini zafike zenzani zazalisa ini abafazi abani babantu. So lesizukulwane sakhona babuka bafana nani, bafana nalama demon lengilozi ezawa kuphi ezulwini. That's why they had to colonize Africa, because the agenda is to get rid of ini the umfanekiso kabani kaNkulunkulu. Ucanga ukuthi kwenziwa yini ukuthi futhi I'm sure njengawe Ganda uke wayifunda lento le uthi kwenziwa yini njengalaba abosisi bethu esibaziwa ama influencer not bahamba baye Dubai. Uzwile le story besizizwa ukuthi kwenzakalani le, bathi bafika le babenzeni no
ama ritual
lama ritual bathi baba yabona se toilet kusuka umuntu indlela yakhe yokwenzani yokuthwala in the Arab world or in that what world, indlela yakhe yokuthwala ukuthi ngenzeni, because it means I defecated on bani, on uNkulunkulu. So indlela yakhe yokusayina ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngenze njani, kufanele ukuthi ngiyakuthuka. You get what I'm saying? So the reason why Africa ikanje, whereas we have all the minerals and the resources, it's simply because that's the plan. And economy is fake. Don't fall for leyo nto leyo. Economy is fake. You can't tell me economy exists and it's true. Uma ngabe South Africa produces about 2 million tons of sugar. South Africa consumes about 370 tons of sugar. But sugar wa South Africa ubuye eSwazini nase Brazil. It's just a matter of what, a way of what, take start my resources la, so mixa le, start la wale, so mixa ngapa, start la ngapa, and then people are lost kupi kule business, because business is not a true word. It's just a way of saying good you are busy. And the only people making money are the shipping companies, about MSC and whoever, because who owns them? The Jews. Amajuda yibaba own this thing. So all this thing is a farce and a lie and a hoax and a sham. It's a scam. Amanga yonke lento le. The same way you learn good, there are no sicknesses. These people they researched and ngani ngobuhlakali abanikezwa yini yila amademon abawathandazayo uBhali yo Moloko yo whoever babitshela ukuthi this and this and this and this, because that's what the masonry, the Illuminati, the Templars worship. Bayithatha lapho influence yabo. So mawungibuza nge-frequency, the frequency yemali, you must stay kuphi, you must be low frequency to the point ukuthi idemon lani le mali lizokwenzani, lizokwazi ukukunika ubuhlakala ukuthi how to do this and this and this, and then wena wenzeni konke lokho elikufunayo. That's why I didn't want to answer you, because it is what it is earthly, because imali ayisebenzi. Yini umsebenzi wemali? Ngisho noma ungayinika inkomo lana thethe utshani kuphela uthi nayo inkomo ungayithola ukuthi vele ithi angeke ngidlele inki. Ayikho into ayikho. I saw people nje bajabule ukuthi bathi Elon Musk is now a trillionaire official. I think abanye bathi 1.1, abanye bathi 1.2 trillion. The reason why people are falling for that, uthando lwemali, the love of money. Ukuthi he's made it. He's made what? Goose. So yeah, sibuya back to frequency yethu bafundi bazalwane bantwana basekhaya and stuff. Yeah, this one is Uhuru bafethu.
We cookie.
This one is Uhuru. The Lord Almighty is back. We will be shouting free at last. Free at last. Thank God Almighty. We are free at last. Once we are done with this and my gosh, my yabas. Hey, hippie. Where's my speech? My man, mina I discern. And I know the rules asezulwini. At the courts. That's why I'm ngasablut, because they can't do nothing. The jig is up. At first I was like, no, these things are rules. That's also one thing Enzo ifundisa in terms of how to, if you are down spiritually, how to decipher especially the politicians, interviews. There are signs they must do, they must perform. Yeah. Yabona asithi uChris ungithukile manje, ne? Ungithukile uChris. And then uChris Oh asithi mina ngithuka uChris ne ngimthukile ngenhlamba whatever ne mangibuya kuyo mangibuya kuye ngithi Chris my brother lokho kwenzeke earlier ne ngicela ungixolele. What do you say wena Chris? Ngixolele. You just made a mistake. It's fine lokho but you did not see ukuthi I'm not true like lento engishoyo angizimiselanga. Ubonile ukuthi ngenzeni kanti? Ubonile? What did I do?
Wenzeni?
All along I was talking ngikhuluma ngithi Chris my brother. Angithi you are my brother, that's true, angithi? Konke lokho engikwenze earlier, that's true, angithi? Ngicela ukuthi wenzeni? Ungixolele. Did you see what I did to my finger? I crossed my finger just by the time ngithi ngicela ungixolele.
So what does that mean?
That means I'm not angiqinisanga lento engishoyo.
So I don't know why.
They know bona ukuthi lokho kushoyo it means nothing.
You've been communicating. You've been communicating.
I don't want to lie to you. Yes, I always ask myself. I always do this and I always do this. Naman, you share the song. This is the song. Like that's in the
You oh le
so Ziyakrosana.
I think it's something like this. Oh.
Yeah, something like that.
Ziyakrosana so.
Those are one of the things of which you know whenever you do something voluntarily, that's when the spirit is in charge. That's when the spirit is in charge.
And then normal school man, primary. Prignale nto ukuthi cross
The thing is the thing is I'm a politicians ne they work for Ubani, they work for Satan. But ezulwini abanalungelo, they don't have the right to lie in front of you. But bayakwenza lokho. Why? Officially, legally, kumele enzeni umuntu wakhona once makufika kule party leyo ukuthi asakhuluma manga abanye babo zobona by crossing the fingers. But because the crossing of fingers like this is the most basic one, they keep on changing it. Uyabona njengama interviews bathola benze so umuntu wakhona akcrossa ini crossing the legs like this. It's a sign to say yonke into engizoyikhuluma amanga.
Hayi wena.
Yebo, I'm telling you. No, the thing is the thing is they know. It's intentional. Omunye wabo, for instance, uRamaphosa, uThabo Mbeki, they have this thing yokuthi bathanda ukukhuluma, yabona thina sithanda ukukhuluma ngezandla. Umuntu wakhona athi as a country we are moving in a way ukuthi the country is growing, the economy is growing, and everyone will benefit in this thing. Unamang, he just crossed the fingers. You did not see. You did not pay attention. There's no. Yes. Yes. Those are one of the things when the Lord comes and reveals to you, oh, this and this and this. Watch this. Njengale caba le nkosi yami elungizwe. Ngoba yena uyambona ukuthi usesehlaza akakwazi kuyenza lento. I don't know if any of you saw this la comment khona bathi angazi the Human Rights Commission.
Yes, I think I saw it. Azathi melizi ejele nayo human rights.
Kumele ejele nayo human right uma izoshuka njalo izohlukumeza amalungelo wami. And then it got to the part la khona aqamba khona manga, but because usesemusha kulento he did it in a crude rudiment way. He said le commission lena ngoba thina kushuthi amalungelo wami. He crossed the fingers like this. Wakhuluma senze so. It must be organic so that people do not pay attention. Remember last time I said Beka United States. They were training him for such moment. And lento le Human Rights Commission and whatnot, it's a stunt. So that is what it seems organic. They are synthesizing him so that people can think he. Kanti they know they are pushing the agenda. 30 June we wanna create what? Violence. How did they synthesize the ANC? Pela, are you aware what the ANC, the chances of ANC being in government from the unbanning were very slim. But to synthesize it, they what? They created what? The 1993 violence of ANC and IFP.
IFP was used by Enzo Mandela. when this violence happened, ain't khona la manje bamisa khona SABC. Ukhuza.
They synthesize them. They make the people good to believe good. It won't fall its magnet. They create they make those things good, okay, and to make sure good ANC has the majority, whereas the ANC, I believe, after unbanning was probably what, with 200,000 or 100,000 registered members. Ne? IFP, if I'm not mistaken, we kitchen magoma 3 million, 4 million ngaleso sikhathi leso members. Because it was not banned, obviously beyivumelekile ukukhankasa and stuff. To make sure ukuthi ANC is the party, a party. They formed what? The tripartite thing of what the ANC joining forces with what? COSATU and what? SACP. Orlando Obani, Blaine Zimande was by the face of what? Of the SACP. Whereas SACP all along was a white party. Party yabelungu, the Communist Party. So they synthesize these things. So they bet go on what? On volatility. Simazonzo. And then when you think, oh, that's organic, that's also something we'll touch when we was discussing about what we call the Hegel's dialect. Hegel's dialect is thesis versus antithesis is equals to synthesis. Meaning something against nothing is something.
Yeah, 1 + 0 is 1 - 0.
So that's why my debate, the final debate is always gonna be two people. Hey, prayer Adam le. That's why my debate, there's always what gonna be two people. That's why I saw it to Nama football teams, they will only be two. Amakhulu. Umangabe sifune esithathu ngconi bese Mamelodi. Uyayizwa lento le. So that the people are always what? My man, lento siphila is a script le. It's a script. I'm telling you.
Let's touch it in not today, but maybe when you come back. Maybe or it might be easier for you to. I've been trying to check it. Michael Jackson might be a product Yamane Films because I forgot the name they used to Uyi. Let's
Okay.
But I get to be Mara veri moso busy sevele to make Jackson vele. Hey,
ukuthi mbituzo nyazi singalo kuquleka
abantu. Yes.
So good angwazi ngilande kuphi.
I get you. Yes, yizo zonke lezi zinto angithi the same thing what benze wabo Bushiri. Wathi phu abantu bawe bonke ke nabo babone but throw away the crushes. Hey mama wangihlekisa kakhulu la. Yeah, so it's what? It's wisdom. It's just that you're using it for what? For the wrong reasons. So in other words, uSathane wangaqamba manga makathi Eva uNkulunkulu utheni ngadli kulesihlahla because nizoba nolwazi njengaye nizofana naye. But the thing is, he always hides in iqiniso lakhe lihamba namanga because now abantu sebawile kuphi endleleni la khona uNkulunkulu ababeke khona useyabathomenta ke manje usebathumela usethi uNkulunkulu akekho. The umhlaba lo is moving at around 1,000 miles per hour in a vacuum in space. There's no space, bafethu hlalani la emakhaya, hlalani phansi, relax. Nalento nigijimisa uye emsebenzini usebenzani, usebenzela bani? Ngoba solokhu sazalwa mfowethu, even nabazali bethu solokhu bazalwa. Every day sitshelwa ngeeconomy. Ibalance nini kanti economy? How difficult is it to balance economy kanti? Kukhona laba sibasebenzelayo thina nje sonke. That's colonization.
Nama kusazi that sengiyavuka.
Lento show economy. Mina like noma ungafundanga guys or lento it doesn't need rocket science. Mina beyingidina lento inqa ukuthi whenever remember la South Africa kuphuma scandal sabo FNB nabo apps ukuthi
money rand manipulation.
But when that happens, iranda lehle.
Still.
But uzuma mega reshafula overnight.
Thank you.
This thing.
Because Uzuma
ayikazi balance economy.
Ayikazi balance economy. Yazi ukuthi mfethu lento ingaba ihlazo masingakhuluma with the youth yango 76. Sikhulume nayo nje sithi hey guys, since nina you won't be alive kule future siyakuyo thina. Since bazondubula namhlanje if nje you get what I'm saying mangathiwa nje you have the inange time traveling uthi no in the future ne I will buy a bag ne this bag ukuyithenga will be R1 million. Hey bangasho ukuthi hey udakiwe yazi lo muntu lo udakiwe lo muntu yini lento ayikhulumayo mara phela ayawe ukuthi R1 million yanamhlanje is the equivalent of 72,000 yango 76 72,000 rand. So there's a big chance that the economy has never grown. It was just what? Inflation.
Yosibulala ngcono sithi ikhulile.
Yeah, yenzani? What's the point of economy if the people still abana icathulo? Abantu ingane mfethu abana ngisho ivaseline ihlathi zinjani?
Yebo.
Nalaba yazi abanye abafundisi basazoba nenkinga yazi. They think uNkulunkulu happy bona but they are taking salaries esontweni. Kunengane mfethu eno tracksuit u3/4 kanje yabo ukuthi kubanda kanjani. And then uNkulunkulu emhle njalo. Uthini ngale ngane? Uthe itheni uNkulunkulu akasho ukuthi izulu labo. Umuntu ongena ezulwini kuyomela afane nengane.
Hey uqinisile bona
bafethu.
Ikhona eBhayibhelini. I think it's in the book of Malachi. So ukuthi bazophanishwa befundisi isikhathi sabo siyeza.
Laba abawongabotsotsi kambe
wena ngathi siseduze kungakhona
Pushy Benz Pushy Benz you are taking a salary from the church hayibo who are you working for and it's not a coincidence that churches do not pay tax it's not a coincidence it's the devil's way of financing them indlela kaSathane yokuwachaza
ayibhadali
ababushiri they were making up easily nje uzokuthi kunomama odonate ngepension yakhe yonke she was a teacher or a nurse
kodwa lokho kwakumele ngakuvumi kubushiri lapho lento ukuthi mfethu but nami ngomfundisi mfethu uma unomfundisi oyinhliziyo umuntu ethuletha i-writings i-pension fund yakhe yonke kumele ngenye ekhaya ngiyobona ukuthi isimo sinjani if ngomfundisi wempela ngomjeshi yazi ngiyajabulela ukuthi uyanikela uyangikhathalela kanjani but okwamanje bambe imali yakho invest
it's the wisdom yile wisdom is the frequencies they were worshiping lama demon wemali amademon abanikeza ukuhlanga ukuthi no ungawari if labantu baspray nga this thing yabo njengale ntelezi kaphakela umthakathi le abantu ke sebavuke ulaka ke umunye ufuna ukugibela i-street light you think that's patriotism or abantu abahlukana nalento bazolimala there's danger coming aided there's danger coming all right angiboleki uHandi yeah all right ngefrequency bafethu yeah we are back again back like a bang yeah sibuyile yeah namhlanje we will be touching what natural disasters ne how these people create natural disasters
are created
yebo
fana amen I saw last night there was an earthquake in Venezuela.
Yebo.
And it's not making news. You understand? About Donald Trump will kidnap the president yakho. The day before yesterday. Ngibonizo lebusuku bukune. Oh maklali game France. What moment of silence for earthquake in Venezuela. Oh, Venezuela earthquake yenzeke nini wayesingazwanga. Wakungakhulunywa ngayo. Sen mase ngicabanga sister maybe because ngicabanga into esho ukuthi maybe it was created number 1 number 2 nanokuthi Donald Trump ukuyothatha ipresident yakhona ngekhaya yabo maybe they don't want ukuthi zifike indabeni efana lezo.
It's a way of steering the narrative because abantu bazowenzani bazobuya banake ini Nkosi yami usipheshukelwe Nkosi yami silinyelelwe silahlekelwe and what not benzani just like the same way mababhekisa that panel le ye frequency yenza abantu bakhohlwe sebaphumile kulomqondo walento kade bayibhikishela kade bayitoyitoyela yona and then to make it fana njengase South Africa when was it kanti kuzoba nezikhukhula ezinkulu eKZN and then kuphuma umtsipa athi donate 23 million hey yazi siyayiphila iFong Kong
normally bangathi donate something
yeah probably yes they create those things baba they create abo BI phakathi yahamba nikeza abantu kwazi kwasho True Bongs you remember True Bongs this low stage usaka David obathanda ukwenza ama joke I believe is TikTok in
oh yes
wathi uveza ustishe ivideo yakaBI phakathi apha abantu imali and stuff ngizwa. Hayi khona. Sengibathe ngiyahamba elokishini etown. Hey, eBI phakathi. Kanti uhambela kuphi indoda? Hayi ngithi phela nami ngizodibana nawe ungiphi imali.
Khona la ukuthi ushayeke khona uzuthi kodwa ngingani. Usaqhamuka. Lethe my brother.
Lama video adlalayo manje ku TikTok now. Umuntu mhlambe athi uyakubulisa. Bayenza kakhulu amantombazane mhlambe uthi avele athi uthubulisa intombazane inqaba. Bese intombazane ivume. Ivume vele akhipha iPhone nemali akhipha. Kwada la. Ngazobona lama video.
Ukwatela. But it's also a way.
Keep 10,000 iPhone 16.
Yeah. Hey, that's the same way they find about Mr. Beast and whatnot. OBI phakathi laba didn't he win an award? UBI phakathi, you didn't see UBI phakathi avela afake imask or whatever it is lento leyo abayigqoka yini balaclava azo accept iaward yokuthi he's a humanitarian or what not. What are these awards? Is it art or is it summer or amasummer? They created a category especially for yena. Because what? He's their person. Umuntu wabo. So that when you think there's hope and then you do not revolt against the system, they create these things. Abumtsipe he's a billionaire wenzani savuka sezo. Ngiyakubuza wenzani umtsipe?
Umuntu lo uneteam wathi yamsukela kumtsipe.
Into yamanje asiqale nje ukuthi azabe umtsipe.
Thengi.
Uyithenge ngemali ayithathe kuphi? Okay siyavuma uyithathe kicking lakhe kodwa le efake le mali ekicking lakhe the first one wayithathaphi. Umtsipe is synthesized. Umtsipe is something they created because umtsipe we will learn ukuthi iARM African Rainbow Minerals Ropezov, you know Ropezov? Even Ropezov said that story because what was the mining department of the Anglophile company. They gave him the Anglophile. He's just a person. He's a president actually. You are a white. You are what you call this? A house nigger. He's just an Uncle Tom cutting for them. Magna billionaire nixila. Yebo ngeke lalanga kahle but ukusalayo asize zakhe. He knows very well ukuthi asize zakhe bano Ramaphosa bake benzani savuka sezo futhi ke no cupcake
imali sofika
uzogcina ngaloko buka baze bamtshontshele nemali ezofeni khomza ukuthi ibhari
ukuthi uyibillionaire athi ngibuze wena asithi uyibillionaire manje. Ungafuna impilo enjani? Would you want to be a president of a country, especially country so?
Yeah, these people are chasing power, dog.
But I can understand me.
Yeah, imali kuba isho nothing.
It's part of the plan. Ukuthi umuntu simenza ibillionaire.
Because we know he'll be a president because what? Because what? For the love of money. People bathanda imali. No, he is rich. For the fact that bathanda imali, they see him as a opponent. And to make sure that the money part sticks. Sizowenzani, sizothi uZuma kafundanga, uZuma wenze this. Because Jacob Zuma was a mistake. On their side, he was a mistake. They didn't plan for him to be president. They did not. But ke wazama ngaleso sikhathi sesenama the real compre. Bamxoshwa wabuya ngomshini wami. Hey babona bathi ayathi mfake sizocreate ama scandals. Let us njengoba sekangenile athi senze lokho okuzokwenzeka khona kuzobuya bani umuntu wethu uRamaphosa uye lo esimfunayo.
Emebathule duma.
Ubuye nini Ramaphosa akabuyanga ngethenya kaZuma. Ubuye ngaleyo.
Ufuna ukuthi umtsipe manje.
Uyina akayenza umtsipe noma khuluma ikhonto ephilayo kwayizwa wena noma nethi uthembele ukuthi unemali ezifuza ukuthengela isingo no angeke it's a shame and scam and a lie manga lento esiphilayo kufana nale phela yazi lento uzuyibona ukuthi ngamanga ayowe ukuthi at some point even nale 23 million umtsipe akuthiwa wadonate ngayo to ANC for that natural disaster uyayowe ukuthi there's a big chance ukuthi azanga ikhiphe kwakukhipha leyo mali it's just that sizwe ngamaphepha. Because they own the papers. Oh, yonke media South Africa own Naspers, Baba. And you'll never hear anyone criticizing Naspers. Abanye they don't even know what is NESPA. And it's the only one in Zimali when South Africa joined the BRICS. Mayenza that measure and the bought shares, the stakeholding, what thing go from 10 cent, say China. They are the only one who can say we benefited. Tina Sonke next, why? It's a scam. It's a scam. They create natural disasters so that then they will what? Send you what? A hero. Good, hey, lo muntu wasiza uzwelane nabantu wa donated 23 million. They create natural disasters. All right, good natural disasters. I think Balelana. We'll touch what?
Natural disaster.
Yeah, we'll touch earthquakes. We'll touch monsoons. We'll touch droughts. We'll touch floods. We'll also touch. Let me see which one. Yeah, even volcanoes and landslides and whatnot, but all those they fall under earthquakes. I can say it like that. Yeah. Yes. So yeah, I think challenge that fast. Tornadoes, monsoons. Monsoons is heavy rain. Tornadoes, monsoons. Earthquakes, thank you. Earthquakes. What floods? They are under monsoons.
Yeah.
Yes. So, hey, ngishaya James ngoba imic wangitshela kaningi manje lokho angizwa is slow lena. Yeah, tornadoes, monsoons, earthquakes. Yeah, we will touch just these ones, ne?
Yeah.
This is frequency. What? But slash what? Natural disasters. No man, there's a way to man. Yeah, all right. So you see how important frequency is. If they can create tornadoes just with frequency. And then they hid it, and you think you are a doctor, but you do not understand what is frequency. Umlapha kanjani umuntu ungazi ukuthi what is frequency? Uphi ndomtshela ukuthi akayeke uswayi. Yabo lento phila is scam. Unikezwe nje frequency vibration. Yebo. That's the same reason why mangingabasa umlilo la, ne? Ngibasa umlilo la, ebese ngilanda isubwoofer. Angiphathanga extinguisher, ngiphethe isubwoofer, ispeaker. Nethi sithi kayi2, cimile lo mlilo loyo. Because it's what? It's low frequency. That's how important frequency is, guys. That's how important it is. So now, there's uma ngabe just as besakhuluma ngeoil, ne? Nigeria has oil, ne? And whatnot. Before we drill for oil, we survey. There's indlela abasurveya ngayo. I don't know ukuthi because nale phone yami my documents and stuff ngikho creator maning over. There's a way of what of abayisebenzisayo. They use it could be microwaves, but it's also sound waves. Abawasebenzisayo, ne? These sound waves, they are of low frequency to the point ukuthi they are between 0 and 20. Maybe let me just say 0. It's between 0 to mhlambe angithi 25 hertz, ne? 25 hertz. This frequency is so low ukuthi you can feel it. You can hear it. It's like you get what I'm saying? So kuba na a truck, ne? Ezoma maybe let's say this kule portion le. And then kuzoba nenye ezolalela maybe let's say 100, 200, 300, 500 or a kilometer away, ne? Enani i-tracker ini lama vibrations athunyelwa yini ile vibratayo, ne? Ukuthi how do they bounce back? Then we know ukuthi if they bounce back this perimeter, it suggests we've hit what? Gas. But if it's this way, it suggests we've hit what? Oil. But gas and oil esikhathini esiningi ziba njani ziba ndawonye ne ziba not ndawonye ukuthi it's mixed but kuba closed, they are in proximity. So now there's a problem with the international communities and some of the NGOs about this way of what's the word, surveying for oil. They claim it's cheaper compared to ukuthi ngivele ngiqhamuke ne-drill rig sengiyadrilla manje told ngizodrilla for no reason ayikho lento. This is cheaper so that I know good, okay, it's confirmed and we have estimate of so much of the crude or of the tonnage of the gas ne all right. But now what's the beef between the international communities and this way? It triggers earthquakes. You are sending this much this much frequency waves down on the earth. And by the way, these frequencies, sound frequencies, when you send them down the earth, it doesn't necessarily mean the earthquake will be here. You must study the tectonic plates, the structure of the, this is what? It's crust, mantle, inner core. You must study with, okay, even if you know to Venezuela, Venezuela.
There's a possibility with the intercourse earthquake is because now I'm thinking the president yakidnapped Trump uyangena sakafaka abantu bakhe baba vibration.
The people angithi labantu sebenzani, they are revolting manje masekuzamazama umhlaba, the same umhlaba lithi uthini uNkulunkulu, I've secured the umhlaba. Umhlaba wanzani wawusekela, umhlaba uyindawo, it's secured. These things indlela zokwenzani zokwenza abantu benzeni bacabange otherwise ukuthi yo uca uthi wena makune earthquake basamlalela umfundisi or umuntu ufuna isponge sokulala ufuna ingubo or ufuna ini. Ayime kancane lento leyo. It's a way of getting in fear. That's why the Bible also says I have not given you the spirit of what? Of fear. Because mawusaba ngilekathi uphuma la endleleni uNkulunkulu akubeke khona isitha sikufuna khona awucabange kahle. For instance, nomngane wami olahlekelwe imoto not so long ago, zonke izinto engikhuluma naye zona akazizwa because usacabangela ukuthi labantu bacishe bangibulala bangingenele endlini and what not. Manje sowubuyile kuma senses wakho sekayangizwa ngiyasho ukuthi yabona ukuba ngizwe kasekuqaleni ngabe imoto kusiyitholile because you hear the signs ukuthi ikuphi. But now it's too late. We are not sure what is told. So, uksaba. That's why uksaba is not from God. Anxiety is not from God, but they are creating it what? With these hyper frequencies, what? With the Wi-Fi. Because they are boiling your brain and your pineal gland. This thing is an attack kumuntu. Go and mawubuka wonke umhlaba. Ungizwile ngitheni? It's an attack kuphe ilwaneni. No, kumuntu. I did not say people. Umuntu is human. Yithi the human. That's why you learn ukuthi those black Americans, it's just maybe 10% or 1% of whom their ancestors came from the Atlantic slave trade. Abathathwe Gambia, wagijeza umkhumba mixwa le. The rest they are native there. Ilaba basala when the Nephilims procreated, created the Indians. And which today we call the Mexican. Ne? They're part of the people who survived. You are the image of God. That's why kumele kuqedwe ngawe. You will also learn ukuthi futhi uNkulunkulu one of the days masihleli wathi kimi yabona hey ngiyayisaba imishado ezoba ikhona mase ngibuyile. Hey abantu bazobashada left and right hey. Kuzobe kumshado ngapha mfethu umncwabo sibe singcwaba ngabo ma 6 ekseni yabo leli abantu abadala bencatshwa ngo 6 mfethu ngo 7 kuphelile. Yayibona lento le because isijahelo sizobe sijahelo kuyaphi kemshadweni ndoda ziyawushaya kushada umngane nami ngapha. Why? uNkulunkulu uthe uzoqeda nale lobolo elidakiwe leli lase KZN. Because le lobolo elidakiwe la namhlanje umuntu kuthiwe uzobathi ulotsholwe ngo 100,000. Ilobolo leli ela createwa ubani? Abelungu, Rob Dan, John Rob Dan. You remember what when they took over is Zululand. Ba kidnap ubani uKing Cetshwayo. Bamthatha bamixa kuphi over le England. Then masekabuya iadvisor yakhe umlungu John Rob Dan. Iadvisor yakhe. Advisor le Yasetha ini standard of ilobolo kwathiwa is what 11 cows. Lento abantu abadala bebanganandaba no because ngifuna umntwana mamlobolo imali eningi ngifuna ukuthenga amasofa yini. No, thina sijabulile ukuthi sesinomndeni. Uyayizwa lento le? So now ukhulukhulu ngizoqeda ngalobo lelidakiwe leli abantu bazoshadana nje kahle. I'm not sure maybe kuzoba 5 cows or kuzoba ungakhi, but it's all about what ukushadisa labantwana because njengoba amadoda adakwe kanje bheka abafazi mfethu ukuthi bahlupheka kanjani. Bagcwele yonke le ndawo abazi nokuthi liphumephi, bakufake izinwele ezingaka ezireflectable nefilimu, bangama influencer mfethu, bambe bayo Dubai bayobenza zonke lezi zinto lezi. Iye yonke le chaos nje abayidalile le.
Ayashimile abafazi.
So no Rob Dani, he was the one of the agents sent to what to destroy the family structure. Because awusakhona ukulobola, sizothini la khaya angeke uyitholele ngani. Awuhlawulanga, awuqedanga ukulobola and what not. And vele uzozithatha phi inkomo ezingaka? Uzozithatha phi?
Usenzele amafemi singikhiphele nama-100,000.
Uzozithatha phi? Umntwana akasana baba manje. And then to Rob Dani lo got rich, very rich from lento le because egcineni ugcine sekenzani sekuyo owenzani oshonisa abantu ngeenkomo. Yeah. Mangabe uyashodela ufuna ukulobola oza ngapha ngigcwalisela hambe yelobola suyangikolota. And to make matters worse, he ended up having 45, some is 45, 46, 47 wives wabantu abamnyama abangaba abafazi bakhe. Waba no 1, waba na 2 wabantwana per wife, per mfazi. Before ashona ngathi bekana ngazi bekana 106 or 100 and bani wabantwana yena uRob Dani umlungu lo. That's why amakhaladi mawumhlophe nje uqhamuke eNatal, there's a big chance igazi lakho igazi lakhe. This Rob Dani lo engikhuluma ngaye. So the attack on the black skin le uNkulunkulu ayenza phela ayawe ukuthi human man means the one who thinks. And then Hugh, when you apply terminology, he means who is humble and is humble enough. What's the word? Reflects the ground. The ground is brown. Njengawe. So you are the original copy yomuntu. That's why when ilanga liyakuphilisa. That's also what we'll touch ku frequency. Soon 5-10 minutes. Ngizobe sengifikile kulento engishoyo. You will learn ukuthi ilanga li healthy. Mawugula nje ukuphumele ngaphandle ukushaywe ilanga uzophila because ilanga liwumuthi lilodwa. uNkulunkulu angeke adale lo mhlaba ube yiphutha ube ne mistake engaka. Ukugula lokho abacreateayo lokho. So okay, these are earthquakes. Then monsoons, when it comes to monsoons, there's even evidence I meant to say ilento sengiyalikhumbula legama bengicishe ngathi natural disasters. Ngifuna ngithi what? Bioweapons. Ikhalizani zempilo, zendalo. America ithe mase ihluleka eVietnam in the 60s. They resorted to what? To monsoons. Because bahluleka ukunqoba the Viet Cong, ne? Kwathiwa you know what? We will engineer what? Monsoons. After I could making a mistake, but whether it was after, it was before, they were using chemical warfare. There's what you call Agent Orange. It was created by who? Monsanto. The same Monsanto le namhlanje yenza what you call this? The seedlings and abomanyolo and stuff. That's the same Monsanto created the poison, this Agent Orange. Kwafihla mfethu even namhlanje abantu mabazala Vietnam. They give birth to kids abanama defects and ne cancer. In the international court, America is the number one leading is the number one suspect. Is also the one guilty. Ne? So how do we create monsoons? That was chemical warfare. Bioweapon is frequency. They would do what is called cloud seeding. Cloud seeding. Amafu athi mababona ukuthi okay kuzoba na this type of ifu elizoqhamuka over South Africa or over what we will do what is called cloud seeding. Cloud seeding. They spray metals it could be metals, it could be small particles of salt over the cloud, so that the cloud lizogadarisha even more, because now the cloud is what magnoswai sekudingeka amanzi ne. So the cloud becomes so big ngendlela ukuthi kuzoba into efuna ukuba uzamcolo, kuzoba uzamcolo. And then that's how they defeated the Viet Cong, because kwabanani nama floods eVietnam, kwaba nama floods, amasotsha asuffocate kuphi in the trenches. Now there's even a supply of weapons and whatnot. The trails hudaga, because they have airplanes. Then that's how they won the war. That's what bioweapon. Did you win the war really? You did not. You did not. Usebenzisa indlela ezingekho wrong, because should uyigwala ngoba phela uwoqala impi, so usebenzisa ezinye indlela, ngapha upoison abantu, ngapha wenzeni what. So it's monsoons, and ama monsoons lawa and tornadoes, they are sort of related. And if you can check, lama monsoons lawa angeke uzona ngelilodwa ilanga uzwe kuthiwa hey kube nezikhukhula eNorthern Cape. And these monsoons, they always come from Gupi, from the sea, from the east to the west. Why east to the west? Because the eastern seas are warm and the western seas are cold. That's a perfect recipe for Tina to create this thing. Remember, diffusion is a movement of particles from high region of concentration to a lower region of concentration. That's why even KZN is very prone to floods. And you remember, I think it's 2022 or 21. Was it what? Was it Katrina, that tornado? They always stem from the sea. Because that's the perfect condition for them to get what? Most water. So the winds will blow them inland. Once they are inland, there's no longer supply of the water. There's no longer supply, so it will dissipate. That's why it will never happen like dry corner. No, ugwadule. It's always these low-lying areas next to the sea, your KZN, Cape Town, and whatnot. But now there's also a threshold of where they get to do it too much. Instead of creating these monsoons, it created snow. The last time South Africa had snow, which I can argue with, maybe it was also not organic, was what? Boma 98. It's umkhithigo. Boma 98. Lately sesikunesithwathwa nje. Kancane selikhithikile zilafika ngisho kompumalanga. I'm not saying they did, but then I'm not saying they didn't. It could be them. They were experimenting. That's also why I will also ngifakazele indaba kaMama uMpande. Makathi ubona imvula enkulu. Amanzi. Yes, because they saw ukuthi no, now we can't take the country over with another lockdown. All right, let us create what? A natural disaster. So isitha sakho lwanaso, you must know zonke ikhali zaso. It's called intelligence. With now, tornadoes is the same thing. If you can check the country enama tornado kwadlula wonke ama country and it doesn't make sense is United States. eFlorida mfethu kuhlezi kuphephuka, but still namanje bakha izindlu ngani ngogodo ngeplanga. Uma ukuthi why ningathuthi? Phela America witnesses about 1,200 tornadoes per year. 1,000. That means what? A year is 365 days. It's what? Is it 2 or is it 3? But 3.5, maybe 3.5 tornadoes per day, in other words. Yeah. They are creating it because this democracy, if you want to be democratic, it means you must allow who? The funders. The what you call? Yes, you must allow the private sector to fund in your campaign. I-campaign yako, umkhankaso wako must always be funded by what? The businesses in your country and even foreign interest. That's why Ramaphosa was so till to this day akadisclosanga ukuthi who funded his campaign, because the evidence shows ukuthi he was funded by UK and US and what's this Anglo-American, if I'm not mistaken. They're the ones who made sure that he's president. Then it proves that democracy is fake because akusintando yabantu. So, lento ziphilayo amanga le, kodwa akusana ndaba uNkulunkulu ubuyile. Yeah. Oh, why is America fighting Iran? In your understanding, why?
Because of
the oil.
The oil. But khona izinto ezikhulunywa uTrump man ezangenza ngacabanga ukuthi iAmerica wants to behave like uNkulunkulu, like unalento lokuthi Trump unalento lokuthi ufuna or ngithi America bathanda ukuzenza boNkulunkulu ukuthi basiportray as the saviors, and yet
because after Cold War, the world was supposed to be what? Peaceful.
Yeah.
No, but then they go on to say we're fighting terrorists and whatnot. Okay, as it could have. The reason why, if uzokhumbula, I also said ukuthi akunandaba ukuthi yini lento esicabangayo, akunandaba ukuthi sithi yini lento esibhekane nayo. Le mpe esibhekane nayo still yiyo le yaseBhayibhelini. The reason why America is attacked Iran is because benzeni bashisa ini istatue sakaBaal.
Yeah, nkinga yimenshini ukuthi mina I saw hayi man ngibone kuphi. I think Iran she statue seBaal, then is the Baal statue. Israel yakwata.
Because Israel iflag la khona lithini? Iflag la khona lithi we control all the demons. Even in ka King Solomon, in that thing which gave him authority over what? All the demons. Na yonke imoya emihle.
Akhumbula Chris, I want to ask somebody la ukuthi is Israel there? Lawanda Israel yamampela.
Oh yamanga.
Because
yamanga.
Le ikhona bafethe indaba lento kaBaal. Iran ishise istatue
sakaBaal.
Israel yathi nishise istatue sakaBaal. Zonibonile.
Kwathiwani kwaqanjwa manje kwathiwa they are on a mission of acquiring nuclear weapons.
So Israel kahle uyini Israel?
Israel
asikhulumi ngokuthi asikhulume ngento esiyibonile yenzeka.
Israeli usathani. Lo Israel okhona usathani. They are not even Jews, those people.
That's why nami iqale lapho le question kakhulu ukuthi labantu base-Israel babobani kahle because lento yenzakala lapha.
They come from kuphi? Ku-Soviet Union, because there was no East, no West, ne? And there's no China, there's no United States. Lento yi-one. There's no politics. Politics is a farce, it's a lie. Remember there was a time during the presidency of Biden, he what's the word? He ordered, I think, Ansakhumbuli F-22 or the F-35 jet to go and shoot in a spy satellite or camera, or spying device from China. And then China responded that no, you are escalating things. You're escalating things. That's because there are no satellites. Lama satellites they are in orbit. They are balloon because there's no what? There's no space. Kune firmament. uNkulunkulu wavala la. Akunamuntu ophumayo. This thing is a closed system baba. Makathi uNkulunkulu uGenesis wathatha amanzi, wawahlukanisa kuphi? Emanzini. Amanye amanzi wabeka phezulu. Yingakho isibhakabhaka siblue. Amanzi lawana. Mabathi bona baye space, baye kusiphi space because irocket ngeke izi ungabasa emanzini wena. Izovutha kanjani irocket iphume ngani? Ayikho lento. There's no such thing. It's a lie. Amanga wonke lento esiphilayo la emhlabeni.
Yeah, nalento ka Elon Musk nje. I think Elon Musk ubekiwe as the richest person to make us believe.
They are betting on the fact ukuthi wenzeni bayakwazi uthanda imali. Ukuthi he's the richest man. Wenzani? Savuka sezwa. Phela economy useless uma ngabe ihlele ukugqokisa ingane zayo la. Ihlele ukuphesha amapotholi. Thiwa kodwa South African economy before COVID was 1 trillion. Imfethu anginanga ngisho upondo la kikini. Kuyeka bani ke le economy? Uma ngabe kunjalo. Then it's useless phela. It's useless. Yabona? Oh God. That's one. And then in 9/11, United States went to Iraq. Ne, ukuyobulala abantu base-Iraq, yenza yonke ukukhohlakala lokwana, baqamba amanga bathi uSaddam Hussein use-Iraq because Osama bin Laden basola ukuthi use-Iraq, whereas i-9/11 ya-creatwa yibo. They came across the information ukuthi Osama bin Laden ne-Al-Qaeda, they are planning this. Then bona they implemented it. That's why lama buildings lawana awazange ashayiswa ama-plane exploded. There were bombs inside. Yabona? So they were creating logo for it so that bazoba nesizathu sokwenzani soba ku-Saddam Hussein, because Saddam Hussein now has what? Weapons of mass destruction. 1, akanazo. 2, amanga wesibili kuthiwa yini? I-oil. The truth is behind all these 2 lies. They always use what? 2 lies. So mawukuthola lamanga lawa uyitshela ukuthi uthola iqiniso. Izathu esithathu. In the late 88, 89, kwa discovery share ukuthi when Iraq wanted to build a landing strip or airport ku desert yabo, they discovered ukuthi kunani, there's something there abangayi understand maba nangi radar ne. There's something abangayi understand. There's something la. And then it came to the ears of America. There's something abangayi understand. Kwathi yathi France sifuna uku-investigate lento le, bathi nibona wathi uSaddam Hussein wathi hayi, this is a republic country. Why must a foreign country come and investigate in my country? Kwathi okay, asithini unama weapons of mass destruction because we don't know what he has. That's why it's also necessary for Dave Chappelle and Jamie Foxx to do that skit. Google the Chappelle show, whereas Jamie Foxx is what? Is Tony Blair, and Dave Chappelle is George Bush, whereby they negotiate. Again, we do not know what he has. It could be anything. That was the only truth they were saying. But the only part, Maseba move away from logo, when they saw Tony Blair. To prove what lenta show yini ingamanga. It's just that people did not decipher lenta show. But then again, it must be said we do not know what he has. Vele they didn't know exactly what he has. And then they invaded Iraq 2003. Maba invade Iraq 2003 kwatholakala ukuthi senze kahle. Hey phela labantu bebazobona ukuthi kushuthi iBhayibheli labo liqinisile mase kuzotholakala ithuna lika Gilgamesh. Kuzoba nenkinga. That's la America figure build khona iarmy yayo, because ila khona ithuna la kabani la ka Gilgamesh la likhona khona. Gilgamesh is one of the giants afana no Goliath. So indlela okubulala ubufakazi bokuthi kwaba nani nama giants la uNkulunkulu athumela khona uIsrael ukuthi hey kunani kunama giants lapha kodwa yilo nazo engininikeze lona. Yayizwa le ndaba. So America is always on a campaign yokwenzani yokuvimba lonke iqiniso. That's why they own the media. Ukuthi this is the truth. No, so that you question ukuthi ukhona mara uNkulunkulu hayi khona. Hayi ngazathi lento yaNkulunkulu amampunge lena. No, it's the truth. But nevertheless the jig is up. Oh okay, drought. I forgot to mention drought. Drought, how do they create drought? Iraq ne. If you find the Bible Revelation, mangapho is chapter 16 ne, bekunala khona limention khona ukoma kwani kwe-Euphrates, the Euphrates, umfula i-Euphrates ukuthi masakome wona. Hayi uNkulunkulu uyabuya vele ziyakhala. Yabona, they created that. I-drought yasenango, and people started to believe ukuthi into ekhona. No, akusiyo. Benzeni since 2021. Yeah, since 2021, if not 2022, till 2025, Iraq witnessed what? The driest years. Yaba drought because there was no rain. America was what? Was stealing the clouds. Ngoba usathana uzoluzonzani ukweba ukubulala nokubhubhisa. America yayintshontsha amafu wase-Iraq. Iwatshontsha kanjani ke? They were using Wi-Fi. Using this frequency. I was talking about. Remember what I said 5G does to your water? They were using it ngani radar. Yabona radar, the one which they use to detect whenever there's an airplane in their airspace. Yes, they were projecting it kuma clouds. Then during le empile ne Iran is next door ne Iraq angithi. Iran shot their this weather engineering station. Hawu mfowethu utshani bulihlaze Iraq. Hey liyani izulu. Abuyile amafu. Because Iran idubule le station sani se-America la khona ebilokhu ixosha khona amafu ukuthi kungazoba nemvula kuthiwe i-drought. Ngisho nathi sibonga ukuthi hayi vele uRevelation 16 usuyenzeka. Amanga. It's not the time manje isikhathi saNkulunkulu abuya abuse phezulu komhlaba. Hey, siphila manga bafethu. Siphila manga. Igijimile. Sithini 32? 1 hour 30. Okay, I think ukuthi all right. 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, yes, I believe. Yeah, athi ngenze so. Why ilanga li healthy for wena? Lo elimgulisayo ingoba kasuye umuntu to begin with. Ingakho ko i-cancer. Yes, that's why i-cancer iphatha belungu. Ngithi abantu abadala bekhumbula amasikhulu bekuhlela kuthiwa unezifo zesilungu. Nezinto ezingaziphathi thina. Uma kuthiwa nje une-skin cancer uthi uyitholela ngini? Hayi, unamanga. That's because you are not a real human being. You are not a real human being. Yabo? You are a fake. That's why your skin vele isinenkinga nelanga. How can ube nenkinga nelanga? Lento ephilisa iy'tshalo mfethu and what not? Hey, I go. That's the last one.
Yeah, just
Yeah. Mawuthatha icolor black uyihlanganisa no white uthola ugrey. Mawuthatha icolor red uyihlanganisa no green uthola depending, sometimes it's brown, sometimes it's purple. Yes. Yabona mawuhlanganisa lamakhala sinje sikhulume ukuthi opende la bengikhuluma ngabo yabona mawuthatha enjani nje asithi mawuthatha ubomvu umhlanganisa no yellow uzothola umaroon yayibona yabona yes, to make things easy simple. So now mawuthatha ilanga, it was discovered ukuthi mawuthatha ukukhanya angithi ebusuku sithi kunjani kumnyama emini kushuthi kunjani kumhlophe. So now this is what happens, ne? This is what happened. When uthatha ukukhanya kwelanga and shine it through a glass, a prism. Kwangathi kungaba i-prism, ne? Yeah. We get what we call the light spectrum, ne? Ila uthola khona iqiniso ukuthi hayi man. Futhi in other words, white law is a confluence. Ukuhlanganyela kwemibala enjani? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue no indigo. Uma ubahlanganisa kukunikeza this light. Kukunikeza umhlophe. That's white. Yabona? Athi sibone ukuthi yanamathela inlento phela. Yaza. Yabona? That's what you get. Ne? Mawuhlanganisa lemibala le. All right. Ikunikeza white when you shine it. That's the same reason why sithola i-rainbow maqedwe kunizulu. Because the light is what is scattered, iliyahlukaniseka bese kuba yini uthingo lenkosazana isithembiso sokuthi ngenzeni angeke ngiphinde ngubhubhise umhlaba ngani ngamanzi. And then now when we go back to frequency and we study these lights, low red, orange, yellow, green, blue no indigo, blue ne, indigo no violet is a bit of one thing ne. All right. When we do the frequency, we study the frequencies of these colors. Kusinikeza 376 hertz. Red is 376 hertz ne. What feeling do you get from the low 366 hertz? It's liberation from guilt. Kuphela ukuzisola. Lokhu bhiza uyizwela. That's why mawuphumela ngaphandle imaqedwe kunizulu. Kuba nalento engazathi inkululeko nje mfethu ukuthi ulazi lamnandi ilanga. U-orange above situations facilitate change. Kuba nalento ukuthi ufila ngazathi kunoshintsho. But you do not detect it because kwenze njani ukukhanya lokho. Mawukodwa mawahlukanisa kuba yimibala le. 528 transformation miracle restore your DNA. Ukushuthi ilanga lipholisa i-DNA yakho ugula umele ugule wena. 639 relationships and spiritual connection. Uzongazathi ilanga seliphumile. Awuthi ngiyohlola umngane wami ngapha ukuthi izikhiphane ngaye. Yayizwa lento le. Ukushuthi that's love. Ugreen loyo 741 cleaning truth and expression. Iqiniso ngoba uzona ufree nokuzi expressa yourself. 852 hertz is what blue loyo is intuition. It's like intuition is next door of discernment, ne? You can tell izinto ezi wrong from ezi right. So meaning uma ngathi ilanga likho hey ubugebengu kungaba khona because abantu bazovuka ubulwane so that's why ilanga libalulekile kithi uNkulunkulu wayidala by purpose lento lena ungasabi ukuthi lento is by design uNkulunkulu usibekile la umhlaba awuzamazami bayicreate i-earthquake akuna ikhukhula lana ezenzekayo bayidala lezo ikhukhula akuna space kune firmament uNkulunkulu wawudala umhlaba wawusekela wawuvala ayikho into ephumayo la ayikho ingena that's why namademon angakhona ukubuya ngendlela ukuthi abuye ngemzimba ngoba azongenaphi kuvaliwe la okokuqala unoma ngabe kuthiwa lemzimba bebanayo ngoba abanayo so that's why bafika bezonzani bafuna ukuthatha ini your soul that's why they invented i-Wi-Fi so that you do not detect yonke lento lena ugcina usuthi hey nami open minded manje yazi mngani wami lento lena kuloko usibhizi sinizonda nani ningabantu mfethu usho kumngani wakho gay yebo lento le udoti lento le into creative uzoyitshela ukuthi umcabango wakho wena kusumcabango wakho lento le into yenziwe lento lena it's a scam mase sifuna inkululeko hlalani ngayi nasemsebenzini ngoba lento nisisebenzela siyiboni manibuye nezikolodo hayi suka hlalani phansi ya uNkulunkulu emhle njalo bafethu ngithili ngokuzayo ne ya amen man
ugcina usuthi ya mngani wami lento understand
understandani understanda ini uNkulunkulu wadala indoda nomfazi understandani
ugcina usu open minded
akho open minded la i-pineal gland yakho isifile ngoba yila kuhlala khona unembeza wakho la uzokhona ukuthi hayi lento I don't know how to explain it but wrong lento le just because you don't have a reason to explain it ngapha i-pineal gland yakho ayisekho so ugcina sothi wena hayi open minded and you think that's your thinking no it's not oh
shahidi Tom
anizwile bafethu sisishayile isikhathi yeah and by the way there was an episode besiplane ukuza no my sister uthethi number ku Chris athi size la namhlanje we were here to debunk the lies about HIV there's no HIV this thing was created but are you aware ukuthi you have trillions about now it's around 1 trillion of viruses la mzimbeni wakho njengoba uphila so they are kept in check by the fact ukuthi uyaphila umphefumulo kaNkulunkulu de uphuma ngila khona seziqala zidla umzimba wakho kuphuma impethe and what not so maba test for HIV wena they just checking your viral count but decide ayi positive it positive ngizohlala kanjani ngizoba negative kanjani ngoba vele I have viruses la kimi it's just that it's tuswayini by what is called AIDS but then AIDS mawibuza what is AIDS it acquired yes the first word acquired should uyitholile lento it doesn't exist they can how do we manufacture those symptoms by what spraying chemicals in the air or putting gupi emanzini by doing what putting heavy metals is mercury lead and aluminium the nanoparticles that's what they're always spraying laphan once you inhale those things and you ingest them so much you will show what signs of AIDS the symptoms of AIDS. This thing is a lie. Ayikho. Amanga yonke lento le. It's a lie. Goze.
Uzoba limazi inangzani yeni pineal gland.
Ngizoba limazi pineal gland. No, the thing is AIDS ikhona because bantu bayakholwa lokuthi ikhona. Angino just manje ngeke ngisukume ngiyomkhomba la ngaphandle. But lokuthi ngiyazi ngiyakholwa lokuthi ukhona nale AIDS ikhona ngoba abantu bayakholwa ukuthi ikhona angithi sabona uzibani washona kabuhlungu nami sengisaba lokuthi ngizofa kanti lo muntu wayepoisoniwe linto bakwazi ukuyenza bayifaka kuma water kuma reservoir ku reservoir asasowethu nje singahamba sithi Dobsonville siyazi amanzi akhona lapha samsothela ama heavy metals abantu they will ingest them noma bathi abaphuza amanzi lawo bazogeza ngawo lawo manzi lawo then the person if awathole enough uzobonakala ngazathi uzoshowa ama symptoms usithi ay Chris hambo test awuna AIDS nix ikuphi AIDS ayikho this thing is a lie. That's why it was necessary for ukuthi ivele ngesikhathi sakaMbheki so that because siyambona lo Zuma lo uyabhayiza so that will drain i-country yakhe uzovuma ukuthi uzowenzani he will finance the country will finance ama ARVs it's a shame it's a scam. But the department do you know the etymology of department ukuthi what is department must apply etymology it means to separate ukuhlukanisa
departure
so umathi department of health should uthini sikuhlukanisa ne health yakho yebo
See you next time.
Next time, Mafethu. Think. It's not yet illegal. Think. Go and read. The information is there. Abantu futhi stay away from the sodas and pop. Then you will start to decipher clearly. Then you vibrate at a frequency at which the devil is he's standing on our trillions. Ukugula lo cancer na Doto Medical Aid insurance yokugula vele ufuna ukugula
Masiphuze. Uthi amanzi ayabheda.
phuzi wayini ho uphuza amanzi
Iwani yenze ikhando inespace nayo.
no the natural one ile nganatshwala engana alcohol
So idopa.
it is scars manje for ukuthi scars phuza amanzi and amanzi akho faka uswayi so that you are alkaline because umzimba wakho is what is electricity you need what
Awubatshengisa ufake
uthetha uvumo hayi foil bafethu
awubatshengisa
Awushilo bathi vele
kancane.
ngeke ngimthole umfazi kusho uChris wathi umfazi ngeke ayimeli indaba ye-foil
Ikhona manje.
Awubatshengisa emfowami kancane anto. Ayithi now
kancane
yeah.
ivelile
Uvula kancane into ithi abantu bezobona kahle. Phela kunabantu abadala emakhaya.
episode man hayi man
Cha ubona nje mfethu ukuthi
ayivelanga kathi
ayivela
inkinga manje bese ukuyibuyisela kuba inkinga mangigqoke
Ayihlali.
yeah iba
frequency yakhe isiphezulu.
yeah ivelile yeah why not vele we are being poisoned most phela the biggest abantu ne we are being indoctrinated esikolweni is poisoning abafazi basangene kanje yini i-poisoning through ini i-makeup that's poisoning yes the biggest organ emzimba wakho yini is your skin baba so it leads kuphi at the end of the day kuyaphi kegazini that's poisoning baba yeah naye types of poisoning ne indoctrination imfundiso yamanga abakutshela into engekho umhlaba uyaspina uyibhola ezulu fluoridated kune fluoride emanzini abaklina ngayo amanzi that's why the doctor said to say drink what 8 cups of water a day kufanele ukuthi uyaflasha mos ukhipha wonke ama-nutrients emzimbeni uyulearn masuqala ukuphuza amanzi owathela isponge esosawoti ukuthi angeke uzowomela amanzi uzovela uphuze nje mhlambe 500 ml a day uzozizwa nje unele akunankinga why umzimba that's where umzimba unjani umzimba phela knows ukuthi udingani hayi le ngqondo yakho abakufundise yona le vet nale death certificate abakunike yona ne medicated bakujove ngodoti so sorry when you read ku Revelation uJohn uthini abantu they will learn ukuthi they are leaders misleaders but misled them from the truth through what sorcery is what pharmaceuticals yes pharmacy department of health yes bakuhlukanisa nehealth yakho it's not a coincidence vaccinated people like vaccinated they've been glyphosated umanyolo lo Monsanto ukudla esikudlayo is poison cosmeticated baba uyayizwa cosmetics lento nifaka la udoti lo that's why misbehavior ngifuna ukuphatha amadoda anikho happy emzini yena nazi ngani ukuthi nifunani niphethwe yini ipoisoning food sedated nidla too much udla pork phuzana namasoda fluoride yekela for instance okunye yekela ukuxupha ngoColgate yes ne fluoride ayo ukuthi fluoride mangayithana lama tiles azodabuka la then that's why amazinyo akho azovela bese sewusothi amazinyo abolile because kade waqala ngefluoride
kanti ixutshwa ngayo
mfethu lukhona usawoti ikhona ibaking soda mina ngisebenzisa ivinegar apple cider vinegar nani noswayi ngivele ngithi nje kancane chukuchuku umlomo umnandi fresh because mawuxubha umlomo the whole point is what is killing ama-germs. How do you kill germs? It's changing pH, moving from acid to what? Alkalinity. Saphelile ama-germs. Umlomo awusanuki usufresh. Noswayi ngithi nje into encane nje kanje mawuchukuchuku iphelile inkinga mangiqeda ngilumele iwathi cinnamon stick igxolo leli yabo it is healthy for your teeth iphelile inkinga awu abantu abadala should bangachuphe kungekho iColgate yabo simple irradiated through Wi-Fi irradiation yes so yeah
Awusiphathela ifoil.
Hayi ifoil iningi man nala isitolo. Seyizobuya eMpumalanga ifoil le. And by the way bafethu
Ngapha siphuzi ipulvimika.
hayi awuyiphuza uqubha ngayo uyiphuzela nje amanzi anosawoti because it's not like lento uyayithanda leyo ama cold drink. No, you are addicted. You are addicted. They create that thing so that you cannot quit.
Bayifaka addiction.
Yes. It's a shame and a scam, bafethu. It's a shame and a scam. It's a lie. It's a farce. It's a hoax. It's a scam.
Sokubonana nini sokubonana nini my brother?
My brother, I believe my sister manga hlanganisa into zakhe lo so that we come and share. But if not, then maybe a Saturday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hayi siyabonga.
Yeah,
Abalekile nama teachings eindoda.
Babalekile nama teachings.
Abalekile.
Oh, abalekile. Yeah, bafethu on the comment section, ne? May put the questions laphana and then like the question, the top 5 I will answer the next time, ne? Yeah, mangibuya top 5 questions ngoba ke ikhona kunemikhuhlane ekivela ithi indoda wathatha isikhathi esingaka. Why angihamba ngobheka ama TikTok challenge? Azositshela ngithi ufuna ukusiphatha lona. Ufuna ukusiphatha lona. Hayi kahle asimbiza ngokuthi uzobheka ivideo. So ukhuluma kabi kanje ngathi sithe
Ngihamba ubheka.
ngathi sithe thina akuphumi umuntu la siyakhiya la. Akuphumi umuntu ngathi simvalele uboshiwe. Hayi kahle ungasiphathi wena. Ngiyadala umuntu anibusise bafethu. Amen.
Hayi siyabonga my brother. Siyabonga on camera and sound as usual. I got my man James, and on my right I got my man Kanda. I do one story at the time and one testimony at the time. See you and next time. Please like the episode, share it, subscribe, and make sure you join the membership and also donate. Our details shown after the disclaimer. Thank you so much. It support the channel a lot. So thank you so much to those who are doing that. May the Lord bless you. Thank you at home. Stay blessed. Otherwise, yes, we out.